Hello guys, welcome to Yasgraph channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change lips color in easy way. Let's get started. At first, choose a selection tool and select the lips area. After that, go to the adjustment layer and choose the solid color. In here, you can choose any color that you want. Now change the mode to multiply. Then right-click on the layer and click the blending options. In this section, from underlying layer, press and hold Alt key to move half of arrow and move the shadow and highlight until it is shown realistically. In here, to make softer the edge of lips, double-click on the layer mask and change the pixels until it needs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Yasgraph channel for more tutorials.